The next question is the glass material for the windows that are available are white and translucent. I want the black panels for my environment. How to create it? So it is white. That means your base color might be white. You just have to change the base color to black, right? I can showcase you quickly.
So I think this is the glass material in level 2 when we created the warehouse environment, if I'm not
Might
wrong.
be, yeah. So I can get a simple cube from here.
So the black panels in the level 2 environment warehouse, which I made, it was, I think I used the material edit tool only to kind of apply the black material at the corners using the material edit tool. And then in the middle, I just applied the glass material. So I think
Yeah,
that's how I did it in the warehouse environment.
yeah. So like you get the constant vector 3. So if you choose white over here, I will demonstrate you right now itself. Yeah, I get a base color, I get a constant. Uh, right, constant. I'm set the roughness. I will set the. So you just have to select this material property, make it translucent from here. All right. I will set this opacity. Okay. We'll set the opacity to like 0.5. Okay. So right now it is like black. It has a tint of black. If I change this to white, it will be lighter in color, as you can see. So you just have to change this base color, right? You can also apply this to the emissive to make it more defined, right? So now it is more tinted in white. You just change this color from here, it will be black. Any color you want, you can set it to, right? Like it will be having a red tint now. So it is kind of a glass with a red tint.
Ensure that the spiral turn.
Yeah, and if you want to blur, that is also easy to do. You can just use spiral blur. No, the scene texture. You can use this. So I'm teaching about how you can add a blur, Gaussian blur, to your glass material, right? Apply to the distance. We'll set this value to suppose 4 or 5, right? Let me just disconnect this. Let me change the tint over here. Would like to make it somewhat like darker shade. Let us just check. Okay. So currently it is not blur. I will have to apply the nodes. Okay. So we'll see the difference over here inside and then outside. All right. So this will be getting applied to the emissive color over here, and this will be getting applied to the opacity directly. All right. Let us see. So let me compile this. Let us set the value to first 1. We'll add a radial step. This is for radial blur, right? And then this one. We should pass this before. Yeah. Constant. Temporal, radial, or distance blur. We can do any of these. We'll set to like 0.5, and this also 0.5, I guess. If we connect this over here, um, let us see. I'm actually using until 5.1,
Okay,
so it might be different in this. So let us apply and check. So we are trying to make a blur from a glass, right? So distance, and we need distance steps. Let us just create a distance blur, right? So now as you can see, it has given a little blur. I don't think if you will be able to see it properly. Right. I'll get a distance. We can let us increase this. Suppose let us make it like 10 and distance steps also 10. It is, I don't know why it is glitching out. Might be some issue with this project. Okay, we'll cover it next time. I don't know why is it glitching out, but if you try this, it will work for you, right? It has to work. All right, we'll cover this up in the next session. I will open in 5.0 and will showcase that to you. This is glitching out currently. Okay, because I haven't added any function to make it like animated. So yeah. Okay, let us just move on to the next question. I hope the glass thing was clear. All right.